Cedar leaf is aromatic and can be used topically, employed as incense, infused, and extracted. Cedar is native to North America and was once used by the Native Americans to create canoes, earning it the title Canoewood. What is cedar herb used for? Eastern red cedar is a tree. The wood, berries, and leaves are used for medicine. People take eastern red cedar for cough, bronchitis, joint pain, rheumatism, water retention, and flatulence. They also take it to improve appetite and digestion, and as a treatment for fungal infections and worms. What are the benefits of cedar tea? Cedar is commonly used in teas as an anti-inflammatory and can help with respiratory organs. It can help with bronchitis, pneumonia, and rheumatoid arthritis. It can also be used as a smudge to remove negative energies or boiled in water to purify a space. Can you eat cedar leaves? Leaves can be used fresh or they can be dried by bundling several small branches with a rubber band, then hanging them, or placing them on baskets in a dry place with good ventilation. Keep them whole, and then crush them just before you use them to retain the fragrant oils.